Christmas, everyone! So I thought of making Christmas fruit candy, or let me say Christmas orange juice candy. So it's my idea. I've not done this before. This is my first time, so I'll show you. What I got after. Merry Christmas! I so much love this one. I don't know why. This one, like Christmas tree. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Alright, so it was my idea. I did it yesterday, so it was in the freezer, and I'm just gonna take it now. Bye. This is so sweet.